Okay, today I'm going to show you guys how to make a Caldera cocktail. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with the jalapeno. So depending on your spice level, I like a little bit more spicy, so I'm going to grab 3 pieces right here. And we're also going to grab a little bit of mint, maybe one more little piece of mint right here. We're going to muddle that all together. Really want to get those jalapeno juices flowing. Cool. Now what we're gonna do is we are gonna put half of a lime in here as well. There's half of a lime. Then we are gonna do 1.25 ounces of our honey lavender simple syrup. 1.25. And we are gonna finish it off with 3 ounces of our cucumber infused rum. Next, we're gonna shake it with ice. Got some ice right in here. You wanna give it a good shake. All right. Then you're gonna wanna strain it into your martini glass. And we're gonna top it with a jalapeno slice. And that's a Caldera.